This is the National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota. The National Weather Service has just... This is a test of... During potentially dangerous weather situations, signal receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers and this alarm system are conducted by the National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota each Wednesday around noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, this test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. This concludes the we'll return to our regular program. Now here is the The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 409, effective until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Price and Sawyer. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. Temperature was 40. Alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Air quality alert and